Hello people, hello viewers, hi. So it's my sister's birthday on 16 June. It's Tuesday and it's quarantine, you all know. We just want to decorate our home. So because it's her first birthday, and first birthday is special for everyone. We thought we would arrange a big party, which is not possible now. So just we want to decorate the home and we'll celebrate at home. So I've ordered this from First Try. It's a set of 100 balloons and there are 4 40-meter ribbons which you can hang along with the balloons. This is a foil balloon of number 1. This is the happy birthday banner. I've opened it. All the letters. I am 13, I guess. And this is a party flag. Pretty beautiful. And it's a DIY tissue paper tassel. I've opened it because I was very excited. And this is a balloon pump. Wait. Yes. This is a balloon pump. You can blow your balloons with this. It is pretty much difficult to do it with your mouth. And yeah, this was this tissue paper tassels, which we are going to make now. I've already made one. So the string is pretty long, and yeah, you can hang it on the wall or even with the table. So this would like go like this if you wish to do. Like, this is beautiful, beautiful for a little beautiful princess. So let's make this DIY tissue paper garland, tassel garland. Instructions are behind, but please follow. Thank you. So there are 4 colors. There is white, dark pink, baby pink, or light pink, whatever. And there is this golden. I've made this baby pink one, so you can arrange this in any order. I wish to do it like this pink, white, then this dark pink, and then golden. So you can choose any contrast. So there are 4 colors with 5 tassels each, so it would go 20. You would have 20 tassels in totality. And this is a bit tedious job. This needs full concentration. Don't do this. No. Please, Naina. Please, no. Please.
One eternity later.
So take your tassel and spread it on the table like this. Okay, so now you have to roll it like this. Halfway done, or you roll it totally, just untangle these something. You can let us see it. Just untangle them, or they would look very untidy. Untangle them. So I'm untangling them, and yeah, just do it carefully because it is tissue paper, so they can get torn easily. Just untangle them. Okay, now I'm done. Now just from this side where you leave. From this side where you just end it, from that side, just fold it and get this. Attach it to the string. It's your wish if you want to keep large distance between two tassels or just keep them more together. It's your wish, totally your wish. Even after completing everything, you can just adjust them. That won't do any harm. So yes, we're done. I'm gonna staple it. Stapler can I'm gonna staple it because it is very convenient. You can use Fevicol, but I don't think it would stay that well. So yeah, so I have done this pink, then this white, then we have to do the same with this and this. So the golden one is, it's glossy sheet. You can do it.
Approximately 10 hours later.
And our tassels are ready. Looks beautiful, no? Now let's make party flag. So these are the party flag triangles. This is the stick provided with it, and this is the string. So we have to put the string inside this hole like we do with a needle. And the other end we need to secure with 2 knots so that triangles are safe. Be secure. Grab your combinations, grab your triangles, make sure the glossy part to be in the front, like this, from front to behind, and then from behind to front. Completed. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 party flag triangles, and I'm gonna tie this on this tape from the boundary on the party tape. And now we are blowing the balloons one by one. There are many balloons. This is the hand pump given with the combo pack. This is a foot pump. You can also use this. Once we finish blowing all the balloons, we'll set up our balloon garland. This is the glue dot tape. We don't have string, so we would hang our balloons to the wall with the help of these glue dots. So let's start. Let's begin. And now apply your glue dots on the balloon. Take a piece out of the tape and apply it on the region which you want to paste. Once you are done with applying the tape, take your balloons to the wall. Start from the bottom and paste one by one. After one is done, paste another balloon adjacent to it. There are 3 colors: pink, white and golden. Add more balloons to the wall. Since this is a balloon garland and not an arch, don't cover the whole wall. Just do half of it. Arrange and paste the balloons in any order, roughly, but in a specific area. Once the balloons are on the wall, we will add more filler balloons which would make it look complete and really beautiful. The filler balloons should be smaller in size than the balloons behind on the wall. So, wherever you find empty spaces, just place the glue dot and paste your filler balloon in that space. Make sure there should be no empty spaces left. Cover all the spaces with filler balloons. Now it's time to blow the foil balloon. Take your foil balloon, open it and blow air in it. Apply 4 glue dots, 2 in the bottom line and 2 upwards. Peel them. Once you are done peeling, just hang your foil balloon on the wall or paste it. Sorry, we were in a hurry. I could not show the tutorial for Happy Birthday banner. It's exactly same as we made the party flags. There we did with the string here. A ribbon is provided. Pink ribbon, 40-meter long. It's provided along with the banner. If you have a large space, large area, a big wall to cover, you can hang this right straight away from the start and to the end. And if you want to do it like me, happy, different, birthday, different. If you have a very small congested space, you can paste happy separately, birth separately and day again separately. Hang the balloons in Happy Birthday banner along with the foil balloon with these glue dots, and I secured the tassel garland with this normal tape because it's a thread, so you can't do it with the glue dots. A viewer asked me on call that are these foil balloons reusable? Yes, foil balloons are available in different fonts, text, numbers like Happy Birthday. Foil balloons are also available in different colors. They are very beautiful and graceful. But if you wish to go with that big Happy Birthday balloons and want to design these balloon garlands, balloon arts, it will look simple if you go with a paper banner and balloons. If you wish to go with foil balloons, those Happy Birthday foil balloons, you can hang a curtain. Curtains are available on online. Golden curtain, shimmer curtains. Along with that shimmer curtains in background, Happy Birthday foil balloons in foreground would look amazing. This is simple, sweet and elegant. I like these designs much more than those foil balloons. They are reusable. Once they are deflated, you need to store them very safely. If they are damaged, then they won't work next year. And this is our final look. You can use this idea to decorate your home for your child's birthday, grandchild's birthday, for your nephew, niece, brother, sister, or even your friend. This is pink, usually considered as a girl's theme. You can order blue for boys. Actually, color doesn't matter, but feelings does. You don't have to buy filler balloons separately. Just blow your balloons of smaller size and they'll be ready to fill your empty spaces. So, what are you waiting for? Decorate your home for your loved one and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please like, share and subscribe us. Thank you. And wishing your little one a very happy birthday.